Next, in the coordinate geometry, the second section is conic section. So in this conic section, we are going to study the parabola, hyperbola and ellipse. So first one is parabola. So parabola equation is y square is equals to 4ax. So this is y square is equals to 4ax on the basis of the diagram. So because this is along x-axis, positive x-axis, and y-axis on both negative as well as positive, y dash. Therefore we are going to consider y square is equals to 4ax. So in this, vertex is the origin. So here the vertex point. So this is the vertex point, this is the vertex of the origin of the parabola, and the focus point is s is equals to a comma 0. So this is the focus, s is equals to a comma 0. Next, length of lattice rectum. So length of lattice rectum on the basis of the ends of the parabola. Ends of the parabola is L and L dash. So L dash is equals to 4a. Next, ends of the lattice rectum, that is L of a comma 2a and L dash is a comma minus 2b. So minus 2a. Next, equation of directrix is x is equals to minus a. Okay, this is the equation of a parabola and the points of the parabola, important points. Okay, next, second one is ellipse. So ellipse, an elliptic square is equals to 1, where a is greater than b. So elliptical formation is like this. So in this, we are going to find the focus point s is equals to plus or minus a comma 0. Here E is the eccentricity point. So this eccentricity point is find out. So we have to find the eccentricity. So this is eccentricity. E square is equals to a square minus b square whole divided by a square. E square divided by a square minus b square whole divided by a square. So equation is minus a divided by e. So here also we are going to use the eccentricity value. So first we have to find the equation of eccentricity. In elliptical form, we have to find the eccentricity. So this a square is equal to a square minus b square whole divided by a square. This is whole divided by a square. Okay. So next, vertices. Vertices are plus or minus a comma 0, and we are going to find the major axis and minor axis. So major axis on the basis of the x-axis, minor axis on the basis of y-axis. So x-axis points are a and a dash, and minor axis is a dash is equals to 2a and minor axis is b dash is equals to 2b. So in this, we are going to find the length of a lattice rectum. We are just going to find the only length of the lattice rectum, this is 2b square divided by a. Next is hyperbola. So hyperbola equation is x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square is equals to 1. Here also a is greater than b. So hyperbola formation is in the formation of this diagram. Okay. So elliptical form is combined formation, and hyperbola is as a parabola, two parabolas. Okay. So in this, eccentricity value is e square is equals to a square plus b square divided by whole divided by a square. So equation is minus and eccentricity is plus. Cleanly observe it. Okay. Next, we have to find the vertices. Vertices is same as elliptical formation. This is v is equals to plus or minus a comma 0, and also focus point is also same. This is also 4c. S is equals to plus or minus a comma 0. Okay. Next, equation of director is also same. That is x is equals to plus or minus a divided 2b square divided by a. In this hyperbola, we are going to find the transverse axis and conjugative axis. In the elliptical form, we find the major axis and minor axis. In hyperbola, we are going to find the transverse axis and conjugative axis. So transverse axis is 2a and conjugative axis is 2b, and we are going to find the distance between the foci. So distance between s and s dash. So this is s point and this one is okay. Next, on the basis of this parabola, hyperbola and elliptical form, we are going to find the we are going to solve the problems. This is first problem is find the equation of a parabola with a focus at 2, 0, and x-axis is the axis of the parabola. So here given is parabola. So we have to find the equation of parabola. We know the equation of parabola is y square is equals to 4ax. First we have to write on the given points. This is given point is focus, that is 2, 0. We know that focus is s of a, 0. So a is equals to 2, y square is equals to 4ax. We know the value a, then we get the y square is equals to 8x. This is the equation of a parabola. Next is find the eccentricity of the ellipse. X square divided by 16 plus y square divided by 9 is equals to 1. So given elliptical equation is x square divided by 16 plus y square divided by 9 is equals to 1. We know that equation of a ellipse. Ellipse equation is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equals to 1. So one equation. Okay. So here a square is equals to 16, then a is equals to 4, b square is equals to 9, b is equals to 3. We know that here they are asking only find the eccentricity. So write down the eccentricity formula. This is a square is equals to a square minus b square whole divided by a square. Substitute the value of a square, b square and a square. We get the eccentricity. This one is e square. So therefore e is equals to square root of 7 divided by 16. This is the eccentricity of the function. Okay. Next, equation of a ellipse, given that vertices are plus or minus 6, 0 and eccentricity e is equals to 3 divided by 4. Clearly observe, we have to find the equation of ellipse. They are giving vertices and eccentricity e value. Write down the given points. Vertices e is equals to, we know that plus or minus a, 0. So here they given the plus or minus 6, 0. This is plus or minus 6, 0. Therefore a value is 6. Then a square is equals to 36. And also given e is equals to 3 divided by 4. So e is equals to 3 divided by 4. But we know that the formula of eccentricity is e square is equals to a square minus b square whole divided by a square. They given the eccentricity value, we just identify the a value, then substitute the values of e and a. So this one is e is equals to 3 divided by 4, then e square is equals to 3 divided by 4 whole square is equals to 6 whole divided by 36. So transfer the denominator term. This one is 9 into 36 whole divided by 16, or just transfer both the cross multiply. So cross multiplying, we get 36 3. So 9 into 36 whole divided by 16 is equals to 36 minus b square. 9 into 36 value is 324 whole divided by 16. After transferring 16, this one is 16 into 36 minus b square. So 16 into 36 is 576. After 52. So we find out the a square value and b square value. We know that we have to find the equation of a ellipse. So equation of a ellipse is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equals to 1. We get the value of a square and b square. Substituting the equation, we get the required answer. Next one is find 25 plus y square divided by 9 is equals to 1. So given is, write down given point x square divided by 25 plus y square divided by 9 is equals to 1. We know that again elliptical formation of elliptical equation, that is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equals to 1. So a square value is 25 and b square value is 9. Just identify the a square and b square because they are asking the eccentricity and formula. This is e square is equals to a square minus b square whole divided by a square. Cleanly observe, this is whole divided by a square. Therefore e square is equals to 25 minus 9 divided by 25 is equals to 16 divided by 5. This is the e square. So e is equals to square root of 16 divided by 25. Next is length of the lattice rectangle. So length of the lattice rectangle, that is L to 2b square divided by a. Substitute the value of b square and substitute the value of a. So here we get the a square value. So then this one is a is equals to 5. Okay. Substitute the value of 2b square divided by a. So this is 2 into b square value is 9 and a value is 5. So this is 18 divided by